Wait. So you're telling me that right now, while you're listening to us, you're translating every single word in your head? Oh no, that's why English feels so slow and so hard. But guess what? Today, we're going to fix that problem forever. By the end of this video, you're going to learn how to think in English. Yes, think in English without translating. Are you ready? Let's go.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hi, everybody. I'm so excited for today's lesson.
Me too. Lily, I have a question for you.
Yes.
When you started learning English, did you translate every word in your head?
Oh my goodness, yes. Every single word. I would think in my language first, then translate to English. It was so slow and so frustrating.
Exactly. And that's the biggest problem for English learners. You think in your native language, then you translate. But translation is slow. Translation makes mistakes, and translation makes you feel tired.
So true. But here's the good news, everyone. You can stop translating. You can start thinking in English, and it's easier than you think.
That's right. Today, we're going to give you 5 super easy tips to think in English naturally. No more translation, no more headaches, just easy, natural English.
And by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident, you'll speak faster, and English will feel fun again.
So grab your notebook, get comfortable, and let's start learning.
Okay, Max, let's start with the first tip. What is it?
Tip number 1. Start thinking in simple words, not perfect sentences.
Ooh, I love this one. Can you explain?
Sure. So, many learners try to think in perfect, long sentences, but that's really hard. Instead, start with 1 or 2 words.
Like what?
For example, imagine you see a dog. Don't think, oh, there is a beautiful brown dog walking in the park. That's too long. Just think, dog, brown, cute.
Oh, so just simple words.
Yes, simple words first. Then later you can add more, but start easy.
I love that. So if I see rain, I just think rain, cold, umbrella.
Perfect, you got it.
This is so much easier. Everyone, listen. Don't try to be perfect. Just think simple words in English. Start small.
Exactly. Your brain will get used to English step by step. Now, Lily, what's tip number 2?
Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English every day.
Ooh, I love this one. But some people feel shy talking to themselves.
I know, but it's okay. Nobody is listening. You can talk to yourself in the shower, in the car, while cooking, while walking, anywhere.
And what should people say?
Say simple things like, I'm making coffee. I need sugar. Where is the sugar? Oh, here it is.
That's perfect. You're practicing real English for real situations.
Yes, and here's the magic part. When you talk to yourself, your brain starts using English automatically. No translation needed.
That's so true. I do this all the time. I say things like, okay, Max, what do you need today? You need to buy milk, you need to call mom, you need to finish work.
See, Max talks to himself.
I do, and it really helps. So everyone, try it today. Talk to yourself in English for just 5 minutes. Describe what you're doing. Use simple words. Have fun.
Yes, and don't worry about mistakes. Nobody is checking your grammar when you talk to yourself.
Exactly. Now, let's move to tip number 3.
Ooh, what is it?
Tip number 3. Stop using a dictionary for every word.
Wait, what? But dictionaries help us learn.
Yes, dictionaries are good, but many learners use them too much. Every time they see a new word, they translate it. That keeps your brain in translation mode.
So what should we do instead?
Try to guess the meaning from context. Look at the sentence, look at the situation, try to understand without translating.
Oh, like a puzzle.
Yes, exactly like a puzzle. Let me give you an example. Imagine you read this sentence. The dog was barking loudly because it saw a stranger.
Okay.
Now, maybe you don't know the word stranger, but you can guess. The dog is barking. Why? Because it saw someone it doesn't know. So a stranger is probably a person you don't know.
Oh, I got it without translating.
Perfect. That's how babies learn their first language. They guess. They use context. They don't translate.
So everyone, try to guess first. Don't run to the dictionary every time. Use your brain. Think in English.
Yes, and if you really don't understand, then okay, use a dictionary. But try guessing first.
I love this tip. Okay, Max, what's tip number 4?
Tip number 4. Use English for your daily thoughts and labels.
What does that mean?
Okay, so right now, you probably label everything in your native language, right?
Yes.
Like when you see a chair, you think the word for chair in your language.
Exactly. But from today, start labeling things in English. Look at a chair and think chair. Look at a window and think window. Look at your phone and think phone.
Oh, so we're changing the language in our brain.
Yes, exactly. You're training your brain to think in English automatically.
I love it.
So if I'm walking down the street, I can think car, tree, sky, people, coffee shop.
Perfect. You're doing it right now.
This is fun. Everyone, try it. Look around you right now. What do you see? Label it in English.
Great. And here's a pro tip. You can also label your feelings in English.
Ooh, like what?
Like if you feel happy, think I'm happy. If you feel tired, think I'm tired. If you're hungry, think I'm hungry.
Wow, so we use English for everything in our brain.
Yes, the more you use English in your thoughts, the easier it becomes. Soon you won't even notice. English will feel natural.
Amazing. Okay, everyone, we have one more tip. Are you ready?
Wait, before we give you the last tip, I need to tell you something really important.
What is it?
Most learners make one big mistake when trying to think in English. Do you know what it is?
What?
They try to think in complicated English. They try to use difficult words and long sentences, but that doesn't work.
Oh no, so what should they do?
Keep it simple. Always choose simple, easy English. Even native speakers think in simple English most of the time.
That's so true. When I think in English now, I use basic words like, I need water, I'm cold. That's nice.
Exactly. Simple is better. So everyone, don't try to be Shakespeare in your head. Just be simple and natural.
Great advice. Okay, now let's go to tip number 5.
Tip number 5. Practice thinking in English for specific situations.
Ooh, what does that mean?
Okay, so instead of trying to think in English all day long, which is hard, just practice for specific moments.
Like what moments?
Like when you're making breakfast, just for 10 minutes, think in English. I need eggs. I need bread. I'm cooking eggs. The eggs are ready.
Oh, so we choose a small part of our day.
Yes, exactly. Maybe today you think in English while brushing your teeth. Tomorrow you think in English while getting dressed. The day after while shopping.
I love this. It's like practicing in small pieces.
Yes, and after a few weeks, all these small pieces become one big skill. You'll be thinking in English all the time without trying.
That's amazing. So everyone, choose one situation today. Maybe it's drinking your coffee. Maybe it's walking to work. Maybe it's cooking dinner. And just for that moment, think in English.
Perfect. And here's a fun challenge for you all.
Ooh, what challenge?
Try this. Tonight, before you go to sleep, describe your day in English, just in your head. Think, today I woke up, I had breakfast, I went to work, I came home, I watched this video.
Oh, I love that. It's like writing a diary, but in your mind.
Exactly. And it's super easy because you're just talking about what already happened. No pressure.
Everyone, try this tonight. Describe your day in English before sleeping. Use simple words. Have fun.
Okay, Lily, let's do something fun now.
What?
Let's practice thinking in English together with everyone watching.
Ooh, yes, I love this.
Okay, everyone, we're going to describe a simple situation in English. Are you ready?
Ready.
Imagine you're in your kitchen. You want to make tea. Now, think in English. What do you need?
Okay, I need a cup.
Good. What else?
I need water.
Yes, and?
I need a tea bag. And I need to boil the water.
Perfect. See how easy that was? You didn't translate, you just thought in English.
Everyone, now it's your turn. Pause the video if you need to. Imagine you're making tea. Think, what do I need? What do I do first? What do I do next?
Great job, everyone. Let's try another one.
Yes, this is fun.
Imagine you're getting ready in the morning. What do you do?
Okay, I wake up, I open my eyes, I get out of bed.
Good. Then what?
I go to the bathroom, I brush my teeth, I wash my face.
Excellent. What about clothes?
I get dressed. I choose my clothes, I put on my shirt, I put on my pants.
Perfect. See, you're thinking in English naturally.
Everyone, you try. Think about your morning routine in English. Use simple words, don't translate.
And here's the best part. The more you practice like this, the easier it gets. Soon, your brain will automatically think in English.
Yes, your brain is like a muscle. You practice and it gets stronger.
Exactly. So practice every day. Even just 5 minutes helps.
Okay, Max, we gave everyone 5 big tips, but do you have any bonus tips?
Yes, I have 3 quick bonus tips.
Ooh, tell us.
Bonus tip 1. Change your phone language to English.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, when your phone is in English, you read English every day. You see messages, camera, settings. Your brain gets used to English words naturally.
I did this, and it really helps. At first, it's a little confusing, but after 1 week, it's normal.
Exactly. So everyone, try it. Change your phone to English today.
What's bonus tip 2?
Bonus tip 2. Think in English when you're waiting.
When we're waiting?
Yes, like when you're waiting for the bus, waiting in line at the store, waiting for your food at a restaurant. Don't just stand there. Think in English.
Oh, like the bus is late, I'm hungry, that person has a nice bag.
Perfect! You're using your waiting time to practice. It's free practice.
I love it. No more wasted time.
Exactly. And bonus tip 3, don't worry about mistakes in your head.
What do you mean?
Many learners worry, am I thinking in correct English? Is my grammar right? But remember, nobody can hear your thoughts, so don't worry, just think.
Oh, that's so true. In your head, you can make all the mistakes you want.
Yes, your thoughts are your safe space to practice. No judgment, no pressure, just practice.
Everyone, remember this. When you think in English, don't be a perfectionist. Just practice and have fun.
Okay, Lily, we've covered so much today. Let's do a quick review.
Yes, let's remember the 5 main tips.
Tip number 1.
Start thinking in simple words, not perfect sentences.
Tip number 2.
Talk to yourself in English every day.
Tip number 3.
Stop using a dictionary for every word. Try to guess from context.
Tip number 4.
Use English for your daily thoughts and labels.
And tip number 5.
Practice thinking in English for specific situations.
Perfect. And what were our 3 bonus tips?
Change your phone language to English. Think in English when you're waiting. And don't worry about mistakes in your head.
Excellent. You got everything.
Everyone, these tips are so easy, right? You can start today. You can start right now.
That's right. You don't need anything special. You don't need to buy anything. You just need to practice.
And remember, be patient with yourself. Thinking in English takes time. Maybe 1 week, maybe 1 month, maybe 3 months. Everyone is different.
Yes, don't compare yourself to others. Just practice a little bit every day, and you will improve.
And one day, you'll suddenly realize, wow, I'm thinking in English. I didn't even translate.
That's the best feeling, and it will happen to you if you practice.
Oh, wait, before we finish, I have one more special tip.
What is it?
Stay until the end because I'm going to give you a special challenge for this week.
Ooh, everyone, don't leave. Lily has something good.
Okay, everyone, here's your special challenge for this week.
We're listening.
Every day for the next 7 days, I want you to think in English for just 10 minutes. Choose any situation, making breakfast, walking, exercising, anything. Just 10 minutes a day.
That's a great challenge.
And here's the fun part. After 7 days, come back to this video and leave a comment. Tell us, how did it feel? Was it easy? Was it hard? Did you notice any changes?
Yes, we want to hear from you. We read every comment.
And if you want extra support, tell us in the comments which situation you chose, like, I'm practicing while cooking, or I'm practicing while driving.
Perfect. And if you have questions, ask us. We're here to help.
Also, if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps us make more videos for you.
And if you're new here, welcome. Subscribe to Mr. Englishman. We post new videos every week to help you improve your English.
We have so many fun lessons coming. Next week, we're going to teach you how to speak English confidently in conversations, even if you're shy.
Ooh, that's a good one. You don't want to miss it.
So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video.
Okay, everyone, before we go, I want to say something.
What?
Learning English is not easy. We know that. But you're here, you're watching, you're trying, and that's amazing.
Yes, we're so proud of you. Every day you practice, you get better. Every day you try, you grow.
You can do this. Believe in yourself. And remember, we're here with you every step of the way.
That's right. You're not alone. We're all learning together.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.
Okay, everyone. Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max.
And I'm Lily. See you next time.
Bye. Keep learning. You're awesome.